Tupandrone. We are facing a revolution in cargo aviation. In the privacy of the Brazilian equatorial forests, engineers have been working for several years on a product that can revolutionize aviation. This is an aircraft that combines the advantages of a drone, a helicopter, and a jet. Importantly, the whole project is now being tokenized. This means that anyone can now buy shares in their venture in the form of tdrone tokens. The first thing that stands out is the similarity to a large drone, the ability to take off vertically, and a characteristic sound similar to a jet engine. However, once it reaches a certain altitude, it can reach speeds similar to passenger airplanes. Due to the drone's large technical capabilities, it can be used in many situations. Cargo delivery, observations, medical transport, rescue, fire detection and firefighting, agriculture, support to oil platforms. Now that you know what product we are dealing with, I invite you to familiarize yourself with our business opportunity. Thanks to blockchain and tokenization technology, each of us at this early stage of the project's existence can become a shareholder in Tupan Aircraft Company. Possession of tdrone tokens, associated with Tupan Aircraft Company, will be equivalent to owning shares in this organization. Participating in Tupandrone involves purchasing a tdrone minting node. This is a hardware device maintained in a Zeniq server farm, which is responsible for minting tdrone tokens for its owner. The entire process will take place on the Zeniq smart chain, similar to other projects in the Zeniq ecosystem. You can acquire tdrone tokens through safirglobal, exclusive representative of the Zeniq. Come be part of this cargo aviation revolution.